If you want to start using TradingView, you should click on the link in the description to create an account and get $15 off when upgrading. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build indicator in TradingView. So now, make sure you have an idea on the programming language that TradingView use. So go to your Pine editor below and you'll see here you will input the programming language I was talking about, which is the Pine script. So if you don't have any idea, you can just ask any AI tools like ChatGPT or Gemini. So to build a indicator, you'll need to program it in here. So in here, I already copied a Pine script code from ChatGPT. So to save it, just click the save button above and you'll see here that you can input a customized name for your indicator. So in this case, I'm going to name it as Gwen script. So and it's done. It's already saved. So in order to um sh- check if it's working, so go to your strategy tester or you can just click the indicators above. So go to personal and you'll see there the indicator we build, which is the Gwen script, and that's it. That's how you build indicator in TradingView. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.